4. Android application development. Building Android applications with Kotlin and Android Studio. Building Android applications with Kotlin and Android Studio involves several key steps. 1. Set up Android development environment. Install Android Studio, the official IDE for Android app development, and configure it with the necessary Android SDKs and tools. 2. Create a new Android project. Create a new Android project in Android Studio, specifying the project name, package name, and other project settings. 3. Design user interface. UI. Use the layout editor in Android Studio to design the UI for your app. Choose from a variety of pre-built layouts and widgets, or create custom UI components using XML layout files. Throughout the process of building an Android app with Kotlin and Android Studio, it's important to follow best practices, adhere to the Android app development guidelines, and test your app thoroughly on different devices and Android versions to ensure a high-quality user experience. B. Debugging and testing Android applications. Debugging and testing are crucial steps in the Android app development process to identify and fix issues, ensure app stability, and provide a quality user experience. Here are some key aspects of debugging and testing Android applications. 1. Debugging in Android Studio. Android Studio provides powerful built-in debugging tools that allow you to set breakpoints, step through code, inspect variables, and view logs to identify and fix issues in your app. 2. Logging and Logcat. Use logging statements in your code to print debug information and messages to the Logcat, which is a system log that displays runtime information for your app. 3. Unit testing. Write unit tests using frameworks like JUnit and Mockito to test individual components or classes in isolation, such as business logic, data processing, or utility functions. By thoroughly debugging and testing your Android app, you can identify and fix issues early, ensure app stability, and deliver a high-quality user experience to your app users. C. Building adaptive layouts for various screen sizes. Building adaptive layouts for various screen sizes is an essential aspect of Android app development to ensure that your app looks good and functions well across different devices with varying screen sizes, resolutions, and aspect ratios. Here are some key considerations for building adaptive layouts. 1. Use Constraint Layout. Constraint Layout is a powerful layout manager in Android that allows you to create flexible and adaptive layouts that can adjust to different screen sizes. 2. Follow Material Design Guidelines. Material Design is a design language developed by Google for creating visually appealing and consistent user interfaces. 3. Use dimension units wisely. Avoid using fixed pixel values for dimensions in your layout files as they may not scale well on different screen sizes. By implementing adaptive layouts for various screen sizes, you can ensure that your app looks good and functions well on different devices, providing a consistent and user-friendly experience for your app users. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.